So we got like just a pretty much blizzard going on here at my grandparents' house. We got down here on Friday and there was completely no snow whatsoever. Like grass, there's green grass actually in one part of their yard. And I woke up this morning, Saturday, there was a little snow, just a little dusty, not much. And then I woke up this morning, Sunday, and we got about a foot. And we're supposed to get another 8 inches. I was supposed to go home today, which that's not happening anymore, which somewhat sucks, but it's all right. But yeah, so we'll go for a little stroll down here to the river. This absolutely sucks. Like, I'm a size 13 and these boots are about 14 inches tall and snow is about in them. So, and let's not forget, this is April. It's supposed to be spring. And this river is now freezing again, and it was completely unfrozen yesterday, and there we go. So,
hi, I'm John Hutcherson. I'm going to be answering some questions about the snow.
What'd you think when we first got it and you woke up the day after we had no snow the first day?
I was really ticked off when I found out we had snow on the ground.
And then
I was just pissed off all day.
you play golf, so what'd
Yeah.
that do for your season? So, well, our season so far, besides to push us back a bunch of months.
Well, I couldn't play or practice outside. No one could. Redo it. That's bad.